This is the Lockpicking Newbie, and today is Stock Lock Sunday. What we have today is another one of my treasure trove of Grainger clearance locks. This is an American A52. I got it for $4, and it is on clearance. It's discontinued, yada yada, and it's functional. Look at the beefy shackle on this guy. I don't know how thick that is, but it's thick. It says Series 50, and I can't read the date code. Like the other clearance locks, it was never sealed in anything, so I can't really prove it's a pick from package, but I will just say two things. I have not attempted to pick this. I have not placed a pick in the QA, but I have looked inside and to try to figure out what it's going to be like to gut it. So hopefully in this video we get to see that. So I have my heavy bar in 50 thousandths, and I have a number 1 Peterson in 18 thousandths. And for whatever reason, the light is a little funky today. So I would like to have better light, but whatever. Too late. Okay, we're going to start to pick. All right, so I'm feeling one. We'll click on one. Got to be subtle with these Americans. Kind of like a double click on 2, a little bit of core movement. 2 little baby clicks on 3, kind of a click and a release on 4, some counter rotation, and a click on 5, back to the beginning. Oh geez, you can't see a doggone thing. All right, light or no light, we're just gonna go like this. Back to 1, nice little click on 1. 2 feels pretty firm, I'm gonna leave him alone. Sure where 3 got off to. I think that's 4. And we're back at 5. Little clicks on 5. Let's check 1 again. Nice click on 1. 2 still feels firm. 3 still feels firm. 4 feels firm. Can't reach 5. Let's see if I can get anything else on 1. Okay, 1 feels like it's set. The only pin left I can't feel is 5. So I went and grabbed a Peterson gem. And we're open. All right, so 5 was a little deep. Let's see. Yeah, 5 was sort of a deep set. Over there, that's 5. You may have noticed in the past I often get my bidding order in reverse, but as you can see, 5 is a deep set. It's a 5-8-5-5-2, so that's a 2. Whatever. Okay, anywho, we're open, and similar to other locks, there's a rivet. So, my friends, what do we do with a rivet? Well, in some videos we pound away at it like a drunken monkey, but this video we're going to drill it. Well, we sure did do a lot of drilling there, guys. I think I made a big hole in the rivet, and I think it didn't do the job. So guess what? I have another drill bit. That was a 1/8. This is going to be a 5/32. put that right there. Now I'm a little worried about damaging the lock body, but unlike that other lock I did, this is a steel lock body. Just make sure I'm actually in the, yep. I just keep seeing the skin of my hand kind of pooching out by the drill bit, so let's not do that, shall we? You know, I did this before, and it was a little ridiculous, the pounding. But here we are. All right, I'm gonna go a little more vertical. I've got the little block here. So here we go. That's a tough doggone rivet, boys and girls. Trying to see in the hole there whether I've made any progress. I kind of promised I wouldn't do this, but here we are. Ow. All right. Well, I got a little pinch, and we got it apart. Okay, let's get some of this stuff out of the way. How are we doing? We're not doing too bad on time. All right, okay. All right, so let's see, what tools do we do that? I just want to keep the gutting tools, you know, available. Okay, use this one, not this one. Use this one, and well, okay, the drill, you guys can just remember that I did the drill. All right, here's the little retainer plate. Here's the rivet. And then here comes the core. All right, now that I've got it apart, I can feel it's like kind of greasy. And here's the core. Let's go ahead and do that. It's very good. If only you could smell the grease. It's like totally greasy. Okay, so let's put this up here. Just trying to have a neat workspace for you guys so you can kind of see. All right, so let's see. What are some notables here? Standard actuator down there. No anti-bypass wafer. Go ahead and pop the clip off. Now, like I said, this thing is covered in grease. Pinning trays upside down. And let's use a shim. Because there's like a little bit of little relief there that could cause us problems. But what's the real reason? What's the real reason I use a shim on almost like every single lock I got? Why? You guys know. Okay. I don't think the shim is all the way in there, and I don't think it really matters that much. Whoosh. Okay. My fingers are covered in grease. All right, so I'm gonna take these out. I'm gonna give myself some help taking these out. Okay, one, looks serrated, 2 looks serrated, 3 serrated. Oof, come on guys. 5 I think is too short to be serrated. And 4 is serrated. And then the core is normal except for covered by grease. All right, so let's get these pins out. Okay, so the fun pick, basically a standard American kind of pick. Beefy lock, not as insanely beefy as that 748 or whatever that 2-pound behemoth was. What else? Getting the rivet out was slightly more interesting than I expected. And the drivers are what you'd expect in an American, and a mix of a mix of serrated, very nice serrated and serrated spools, and nice little copper springs, which appear to be all the same, or at least copper colored. What do I know? I'm a newbie, not a metallurgist. All right, so we'll give a close-up of the pins, and if all goes right, we'll have a picture of the core up here. But there you go. Let's see. Let's just poke at them a little bit. Yeah. So the key pins, the longer key pins are all serrated, and the drivers go serrated in 1, serrated spool in 2, and 3, serrated in 4, and serrated spool in 5. So there you have it. The American, what did we say? A52, nice beefy lock, fun to pick. When I do put this together, I'll do just like I did with the whatever that other lock was, an A30. I will replace the plate and the rivet with a screw and security nut. I'll put a security wafer in there, and this will be a lock that I could actually lock something up with. Okay, that is all I have for you today. This is the Lockpicking Newbie. Have a good day.